Have just another creative ideas. Write a detailed description of an alien made up of mushroom skin, metal flowers, and purple fur. And it gave me this really nice writing of this, and it gave me some better words. And this is what I used in the AI generator to create this image over here. So we have this alien's truly unique and bizarre creature. Its skin is strangely otherworldly, shade of violet, covered in soft, fluffy fur that seems to shimmer and change color in the light. But the most striking aspect of the alien's appearance is its mushroom-like skin, which is dotted with small, round protuberances that give it a slightly bumpy texture. So I'm not going to read the whole thing. You can read it. But fascinating, some of these really descriptive words, protuberances and color that changes and shimmers. So those are the kind of words I'll grab out of there, or I'll just paste the whole thing. And, these are some AI-generated images here. But you see, I just kind of took that and I pasted it in here. So this is Midjourney. For those of you guys who aren't familiar, you can type in Midjourney and go on the Discord and you type into here. I'll do the 5-second tutorial here for you in case you're curious. You say imagine, and you'll paste some of that text. You want to say what you want to see. So I say photograph alien, mushroom-like, etc., etc. So I take the text and I'll paste it in. It works the same way as this, just text prompt. But at the end, you say // at the current time of this video. It might be a little bit different in the future, but at the current time of this video, you say // version / v and 4. So that means version 4 right there. And that runs the latest algorithm. And so if I type that, it'll generate that picture for you. And so that's how it works. But this is how you can use the chat one to get better words in the visual one. And then overall, your result is just more fascinating and interesting. So, yeah, for those of you guys playing around with those things, really, really great tool. Again, if you're doing e-com or you're doing business or you're a teacher or you need pictures, it doesn't just have to be this crazy abstract stuff. Maybe you just need some icons, or maybe you just need some simple things to work with, maybe some textures or whatever, or PowerPoint pictures like I'm doing here. It can help with that. So consider it and check it out.